Good morning, Year 2. Welcome to today's maths lesson. I know it's very different to what we had planned, but I hope you still enjoy doing it at home. So, today's date is Thursday, the 27th of May, 2021, and your skill is to describe movement. Here is your starter then. I would like to buy a new red feather for my hat. So here is the red feather that Peter Pan wants to buy, and we can see that the total is 78p. Can you show me how I could buy the feather? What coins could I use to make the total? What coins could I use? What different combination of coins could I use to make 78p? I would like you to draw the coins on a piece of paper now, and please make sure you put pence as well, the p after it, to show that we are using money. I'd like you to have a think about this. Once you've done it one way, you then might even like to challenge yourself to do it another way. I'd like you to pause the video and have a go doing this now, please. Off you go. So today then, we are going to be learning how to describe movement, and the key words we're going to be using include forwards, backwards, left and right. So I'd like you to put your hands in front of you like this, and the hand that makes an L shape is your left hand. So we can see that in the picture here then, we have got this hand here, the finger and the thumb makes the L shape, so that is our left hand. So I'd now like you to put your hands in your laps, and I'd like you to hold up your left hand only, please. Well done, put your hand down. And now I'd like you to hold up your right hand only. Excellent, well done. So let's practice that then. Which character is on the left? Is it Captain Hook or is it Peter Pan? Well done, Captain Hook is on our left. What about now then? Is it Wendy or Tinkerbell? Which character is on the right? Well done, Tinkerbell is on the right. So we're going to have a little practice now then. I would like you to make sure that you are in a safe space, so there's nothing you're going to bump into, no one around you that you're going to bump into accidentally. So make sure you're in a safe space, and if you're not, then please find one. And then I would like you to follow these instructions. So, can you step left 4 times? Well done, go back to your original position. Can you now step right twice? Excellent, can you now go back to your original position? Can you step forwards 3 times? Excellent. Go back to your original position. And can you step backwards 4 times? Excellent. Well done. Go back to your original position. So, how can we direct Peter Pan to Wendy then? Make sure that we avoid Tick-Tock Croc and Captain Hook. So here's Tick-Tock Croc and Captain Hook. And I would like you to think, how could we get from Peter Pan from here to here? How many times will he need to move forwards? How many times will he need to move backwards? You can think back to your learning. We have looked a little bit at this, haven't we, this term in computing with the bebops, and try your best then directing Peter Pan. I'd like to pause the video and do this now, please. Excellent. So for your guided practice then, Peter Pan needs your help. I would like you to try and navigate Peter Pan around the island. So your starting position is here in the dark blue square, and I would like you to get to the different items in the island. So can you direct Peter Pan from this starting position to the map, for example? And then once you've done that, could you direct him to the parrot? Okay, I'd like you to pause the video and try this now, please. Excellent. So for your independent practice then, it is slightly different to what we were planning on doing in school, but I hope you still really enjoy it at home. So I would like you to make an obstacle course at home, okay? Now you might be able to use chalk if you have any to draw pictures that you need to move around or get to on your course on the floor, or outside, or you can use objects, okay? So you might have a couple of teddies to make your course, and I'd like you to ask an adult to help you collect the items that you are going to use, okay? So once you have made your course then, you are going to be given the instructions first, okay? So you can give the instructions to an adult, or you can give the instructions to a toy. So you might move your toy around, okay? If you don't have an adult that is free to be able to do this with you, then you can do it with a toy instead. And I'd like you to use your keywords here. So we've got forwards, backwards, left and right. And I would like you to be using these to direct your adult or sibling, if you have a sibling at home, or your toy around your obstacle course, okay? Once you've done that, I'd then like you to swap roles so that your grown-up gives you the instructions and then you follow them around your course. I hope you enjoy this. Pause the video, please. Excellent. So now then, I would like you to evaluate. So can you evaluate the instructions you gave? So what did you find difficult? Was there anything that you found a little bit tricky? What did you find easy? And how could you improve your instructions so that they are even better? I'd like you to pause the video and have a think about this, please. Okay, so, how many different routes can you write for Tinkerbell to get to the magic tree? I'd like you to write the routes down on your paper, okay, and use the words forwards, backwards, left and right. So a little hint then, make sure that you think carefully about the way that Tinkerbell is facing, okay, and just think about, so if she's here, I've lost my mouse, here we go. Forwards, she's going to step this way, isn't she? Okay, so how can she get to the magic tree? Pause the video and try this now, please. Okay, so you might have had, there's lots of different ways you could have done this, but you might have forwards 3, right 1, or right 2, forwards 3, left 1 there. So a couple of examples there of what you might have used to get Tinkerbell to the magic tree. Okay, well done, excellent. For our final thoughts then, true or false? The hedgehog is moving to the left. Think about the way the hedgehog is facing. Is he moving to the left? Pause the video and discuss this now, please. Okay, well done. False. The hedgehog is actually moving forwards because of the way the hedgehog was facing to begin with, okay? So if he was facing this way, he's moving forwards. If he's following the direction of the arrow, he's going to be moving forwards. Well done. I know it's very different to what we had planned today, year 2. I hope you still really enjoyed it, okay? Well done.